as a part of quantitative aptitude, the next topic what we are going to see is problems of trains. A train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? So here the options in the answer, it is given in terms of meters, which means that we need to convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meters per second. So first of all, speed of the train given as 60 kilometer per hour, that will be converted to meters per second as 60 into 5 by 18 meters per second. So that will give us 50 by 3 meters per second. Here the length of the train is considered to be the distance. Length of the train is given as, that is what we have to find. That is nothing but the distance. And the distance is nothing but speed into time. So that will become speed. We calculated it is 50 by 3. Time is given in the question as 9 seconds. So we get 150 meter as the length of the train. Let us move on to the next question. Two trains running in opposite directions cross a man standing on platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. The ratio of their speeds is what? So let the speed of first train equal to x. See, everything is given in seconds, so we will also write x in meters per second. Let the speed of second train equal to y meters per second, which means then the length of the first train will be length is nothing but the distance, and distance is nothing but the speed multiplied by time, s into t. So here the speed is known to be, is considered to be x, and time is given in the question as 27. So we get 27 times x. And then the length of second train will become 17 times y. These two are in meters. Now, total time will be total distance divided by total speed. So that will be total time taken to cross each other. Total time taken to cross each other. To cross each other. That is given in this question as 23 seconds. That is equal to total distance. Total distance is 27x plus 17y. Total speed is x plus y. Now we will cross multiply these two. So we get 23 times, 23 times x plus 23 times y equal to 27x plus 17y. So bringing all x terms and y terms to one side, we get 23y minus 17y is equal to 27x plus, minus 27x minus 23x. That will give us 6y equal to 4x. That means x by y will be 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2, which means the ratio x is to y is 3 is to 2. So the option is option B. Let us move on to the next question. Question 3. If train 240-meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds, how long will it take to pass a platform 650-meter long? So, length of train is given as 240-meter, and then time taken to pass a pole is given as 24 seconds. Therefore, speed of the train, this length is nothing but the distance. Speed of the train will be distance divided by time, and that is 240 divided by 24. We get 10 meter per second. Now, required time to pass the platform will be the total distance divided by the speed. Total distance will be the length of the train, 240, plus the length of the platform, which is 650, divided by 10. That gives us 890 by 10. So you get 89 seconds. So the answer is option B. Let us move on to the next question. Fourth question. A train 360-meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. In what time will it pass a bridge 140-meter long? So speed of train is 45 km per hour. Since everything is in seconds, the options, we will convert this into meter per second. So 45 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That will be equal to 25 by 2 meter per second. So that is the speed of the train in meter per second. Now total distance to cover is the length of the train plus the bridge length, which is 140. So that will give us 500 meter. Therefore, required time to pass the bridge will be time we have to calculate, which is nothing but distance divided by speed. So 25 by 2, which is 500 into 2 divided by 25. That will give us 40 seconds. So the answer is option A. Let us move on to the next question. Two trains are moving in opposite directions at 60 km per hour and 90 km per hour. Their lengths are 1.1 kilometer and 0.9 kilometer respectively. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train in seconds is what? So first of all, relative speed. This is both the trains are moving in opposite directions. So the relative speed will be sum of those two speeds, 60 plus 19 kilometer per hour. That will give you 150 kilometer per hour. So that we will convert it into meter per second because the answers are in seconds. So 150 multiplied by 5 by 18 meters per second. That will give you 125 by 3 meters per second. That is our relative speed. Now, total distance covered will be length of both the trains 1.1 plus 0.9 in terms of kilometer, that is 2 kilometer, which is nothing but if you convert it into meter, it is 2000 meters. Therefore, required time, whatever we are supposed to calculate, will be distance, that is 2000 divided by the speed, which is 125 by 3. So you get 2000 multiplied by 3 divided by 125. If we calculate this, we get 48 seconds. So the option is option C. That is the solution for this question.